field. I wish all of you could be here tonight, folks, wherever you are, and experience this feeling.
Well, I know how Mr. McMahon is feeling. He's feeling that this is the last time that Stone Cold Steve Austin's going to hold the championship.
Well, Mr. McMahon has stacked the deck. If Austin lays one hand on Mr. McMahon, Austin will forfeit the title.
Oh, what a shot.
Now that's how you thwart the attack. Blocks it.
Big right hand.
Dude Love with a brilliant reversal. How much force was delivered there?
Oh, the elbow connects. And that would hurt his hand. And there's a hard right hand. Look at this. Dude Love reversed it. Great reversal by Steve Austin. Oh, wow, what a move. I mean, that's how you pick your moment and go for it. Knocked into the middle of next week. Here comes Stone Cold. Dude looking to capitalize.
That'll knock you silly. Dude Love can come.
Oh, no. Dude Love has lost his smile.
Well, he won't be on any magazine covers. Dude Love has lost his smile. Stop it, will you?
What? I thought he lost more teeth. It's hard to smile when you don't have any teeth.
What a perfectly executed submission.
Stone Cold turns things around.
There's the escape. He reversed it. A spectacular counter by Stone Cold Steve Austin. Oh, a stiff, and I mean stiff shot there. Bulldog headlock, face first to the floor.
Oh, a reversal. Oh, man, DDT'd right on his face. Wow, talk about timing.
And there he goes.
We got to go.
Austin's got it. Austin's got this win.
Mr. McMahon's not going to do it. If you touch him, you'll forfeit the title. I dare you to touch him.
Good love hits McMahon. McMahon is out.
We don't have a referee.
McMahon's knocked out. Dude Love and Austin are battling. They're fighting without a referee. Austin's got the cover, but there's no referee.